Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu original, easy method. Start by assembling ingredients and chilling a mixing bowl. This keeps whipped mascarpone stable. Whip 3 egg yolks with 1/2 cup sugar until pale, then fold in mascarpone and lightly beaten egg whites. Quickly dip ladyfingers in espresso and layer with cream, refrigerating several hours to set and develop flavor before serving. Gathering the right ingredients makes a huge difference, so choose quality mascarpone and freshly brewed espresso for real tiramisu flavor. I recommend using 3 eggs separated, 1/2 cup sugar, and about 1 cup strong espresso. Adjust sugar to taste. Use firm ladyfingers that absorb coffee without falling apart, and lightly dust the top with cocoa powder just before serving to maintain that classic look and bittersweet finish. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for kitchen timers, hands-free recipe guides, and playing music while you cook, and it fits neatly on any counter. I use voice timers to avoid soggy ladyfingers, and a little music makes baking more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work efficiently when assembling tiramisu so ladyfingers stay slightly firm and not soggy. Quick dips in espresso are key. Layer with a spatula, alternating cream and dipped fingers, keeping even thickness for consistent texture. After assembling, press lightly to remove air pockets, cover tightly, and chill for at least 4 hours so flavors meld and structure firms up for clean slices when you serve to friends or family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.